Hi, my name is Mike. Today we will be installing a TYGER cover. The shape and quantity of the clamps will vary depending on vehicle and bed size. Short bed, 4 clamps. Regular bed, 6 clamps. Long bed, 8 clamps. Position of the side rail is very crucial for a proper installation and fitment. Make sure the inner edge of the side rail lines up with the inner edge of the truck bed rail. Place the side rails evenly, so that the distance between the rear end of the side rail to the tailgate is the same on both sides. When attaching the side rails, it is okay to leave them loose. We will come back and tighten them later. The clamps need to be attached directly to the metal part of the bed rail. You may need to cut a small hole in the bedliner for the clamps, especially for the over-the-bedrail type of bedliners. Make sure that the ends of the crossbars are resting on the side rails as you're rolling the cover down. After your cover is rolled out flat, you want to make sure that your crossbars are arched upward to avoid pooling of water. The side rail position is important in order to close the cover. Make sure that the locking clip and the side rail are no further than 1/16 of an inch apart. If the cover can't be latched, try moving the side rails outward. If the cover doesn't stay latched, try moving the side rails inward. Gently pull down both sides of the cover. Press along the edges to secure the Velcro. Push down on the end of the cover. Pull the cable on either side to unlatch. The Velcro is used as a guide to roll the cover up straight. Make sure the cover is free of any debris before rolling it up. The safety straps must be used when the cover is rolled up and the vehicle is in motion. Tension control system is located towards the end of the side rails on both sides. It may be used to adjust the vinyl tightness depending on the weather conditions. Only move one increment at a time. Each increment will give you an 1/8 inch of tension adjustment. Same adjustment to both tension plates is needed. If cover is too tight, move tension plate away from the tailgate to loosen the vinyl. If cover is too loose, move the tension plate towards the tailgate to tighten the vinyl. Tension system can also be adjusted back and forth if you have trouble latching down the cover.